A very good morning to all of you dear students. Dear children, in today's video, we will talk about the confirmatory test of third group anion. Okay. So we have already discussed that confirmatory test is very important if we want to give the correct answer of qualitative analysis. Okay. So we have to do this confirmatory test for third group also. Okay. And about third group, I have already told you that there are two anions present in this group, sulfate ion and phosphate ion. Okay, and there is no specific reagent for this group. Okay, so because of this we have to do separate test for phosphate ion and sulfate ion to determine the presence of these ion. Okay, so what we will do, we have already discussed this in the previous video, but today just we recall. So first of all, we have to take given salt in the test tube, and then we will add distilled water in it. In short, we can say that first of all we will make the salt solution. Okay, and then we will add HNO3, and after that ammonium molybdate. If after adding both these chemicals we are getting yellow PPT, so the formation of this yellow PPT shows the presence of phosphate ion. Okay, and for the confirmation of this phosphate ion we have to do other test also. So for the other test, what we will do, we will take this yellow PPT. Okay, we will take this yellow PPT and then we will add ammonium hydroxide and then sodium hydroxide. So if this PPT dissolve in these chemicals, so this dissolution of PPT shows the confirmation of phosphate ion. Okay, so by doing this experiment we confirm the presence of phosphate ion. Okay, now let's talk about the sulfate ion. So how we will determine the presence of sulfate ion? So for this, what we will do, we will take salt solution in clean test tube, and then we will add HNO3, dilute HNO3, and then we will add BaCl2. If after adding both these chemical we get curdy white PPT, so this curdy white PPT shows the presence, just presence of sulfate ion. Okay, and for the confirmation of the presence of sulfate ion, what we will do, we will again make salt solution and then we will add lead acetate. So if this salt solution with lead acetate forms white PPT, okay, this shows the this confirms the presence of sulfate ion. Okay, and this white PPT forms because of the formation of lead sulfate. Okay, so this is how we confirm the presence of sulfate ion. So these are the confirmatory test for phosphate and sulfate. So here we have finished the anions. Okay, first group, second group and third group as well. So in my next video we will discuss the cations. Okay, I hope all groups are clear to you. Thank you.